Empower and Dave both give cash advances based on your income and bank activity instead of your credit score, but they are built differently in how they approve users, deliver money, and charge for access. By the end, you'll know which app is easier to qualify for, which one is more predictable in fees, and which one actually fits your paycheck situation. Start with how they decide approval. Empower checks your bank deposits and account activity to decide if you qualify for a cash advance. Dave does something similar by reviewing income patterns and spending behavior to estimate eligibility. Neither app uses a traditional credit check as the main requirement. Now explain the key practical difference. Empower is built around quick access to small advances tied closely to paycheck timing. Dave is structured more like a budgeting and banking app that also includes cash advances as one feature inside a larger system. That makes Dave feel more like a full finance app instead of just an advance tool. Now talk about access and consistency. Both apps depend heavily on your income being stable and regularly deposited. If your paycheck deposits are consistent, approval tends to be more reliable on both platforms. If your income is irregular, both apps can limit or deny advance access. Now explain how money delivery works. Both apps aim to deliver funds quickly once approved. The actual speed depends on the transfer option you choose and your account setup inside each app. Now, move into cost structure. Both Empower and Dave can involve fees depending on how you use their features. This usually shows up when you choose faster access to funds or use optional paid features inside the app ecosystem. That means the cost is tied more to usage than a single fixed price. Now explain what each app is better at. Empower is more direct if you only want short-term cash advances tied to your paycheck. Dave is better if you also want budgeting tools, spending insights, and a wider financial app experience. Now, explain the limitation both share. Neither app guarantees cash advances every time. Approval depends on income patterns, and if your deposits are inconsistent, access can be limited. Now give a simple decision guide. Choose Empower if you want a straightforward cash advance focused on paycheck timing. Choose Dave if you want a cash advance plus budgeting and banking features in one app. Now summarize the key points. Empower focuses mainly on fast cash advances based on income activity. Dave combines cash advances with broader financial tools. Both depend on stable income deposits for consistent approval. One practical next step. Check your recent bank deposit history inside both apps before choosing, because that determines your actual approval chances more than the app features. Like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of finance apps without confusion or marketing language.